Hi everyone, I want to quickly show you how you can clear your history cookies and cache from the Chrome web browser. Now, there are just times when web browsers will slow down after a while, and that's when you want to clear your history. And there are other times when websites stop displaying correctly or they're not interacting with you correctly. Something's just off with them, and that's when you want to clear your cookies and cache. So let's take a look at how to do that. Come up here to the upper right corner and select the More menu, which is indicated by the three dots. And then we'll select History. And in the context menu that appears, we'll select History again. And when the history screen appears, we're going to come over here to the left column and select Clear Browsing Data. When that window appears, the first thing you want to do is select all time because you want to clear your history cookies and cache for all time, not just for the last hour or whatever, because you don't know what's causing the problem. Then we're going to take a look at these check boxes here. So browsing history, you definitely want to check that if Chrome has slowed down because that's what's going to speed it up along with the cookies and the cache. However, I will caution you if you do not use bookmarks in your browser and instead just start typing the website in the URL bar up here and count on the history, the list of sites you've already visited to show up and select it from there, you're going to want to use bookmarks for all of those sites that you're relying on the history because history is going to wipe all that away. The next thing you want to check is the cookies and other site data and the cached images and file. Once you've selected those three boxes, and again, browsing history is optional. However, if your Chrome has slowed down, you definitely want to check them. Select Clear Data when you've got your boxes checked. It usually only takes just a few minutes, and once it's done, it closes that window, opens you to a new window, and all should be well again. If you're still experiencing problems, then I would close Chrome completely and reopen it. And that's all there is to clearing your history cookies and cache, and that's kind of an important maintenance task to do in any browser. You want to do that periodically.